Hello, this is Mr. Wyrick. I'm here to talk to you about Lesson 7.7, the last regular lesson from Chapter 7. It's about scale drawings and models. For those of you that are in the engineering class, you've already seen some scale drawings. We've talked about it where 1 inch or 2 inches on the drawing is supposed to be a foot, 2 feet, 5 feet, 6 feet, whatever on the drawing. If you haven't, you can look at your Google Maps or Apple Maps or whatever on your phone. On your smartphone, and you'll see when you zoom out, zoom in, it'll have a scale on there of how far, like 50 miles, 100 miles, 1 mile, depending on how far you're zoomed in. It'll kind of let you know what it is that you're looking at. Every time you look at like a globe or a map, something like that, it's always a scale drawing. They don't actually draw those things to size because it would take up too much space. A scale model would be the same thing. It's just in 3 dimensions. It's proportional to what's going on. And there's always some kind of conversion factor along the way. The scale is the same thing as the scale factor that we talked about in the previous lessons. So whatever they tell you the scale, if it's 1 inch to 3 feet, this is what you need to multiply by. You need to make sure you're going the right direction. If you're going from the actual distance down to the map, or if you're going from the map up to the regular distance, what it is that you need to multiply by in that case. All the problems on this are going to be pretty similar. It's kind of a short lesson. The problems that we are going to do, we will do 5 through 24 on this one. And again, if you have questions on scale factor, it works the same way that we were doing the dilations, the scaling of the shapes. So this is just kind of a real-world application of what it is that we've been looking at. If you have questions about this, just make sure to ask me during class, and we'll see you then.